What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
Hi everyone, today I will be transforming myself into Harley Quinn. If you want to see how the look turns out, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna start by using a cream foundation, putting that all over my face. I prefer using a cream foundation to a liquid one because I have more control and I don't like covering up my whole skin. Now I'm just using my brush to blend in the foundation into my skin, making sure that there's no harsh lines, especially around the hairline and towards the chin. Here I'm gonna pick up my cream concealer and use it to cover up all the dark spots and any pimples that I have on my face. I prefer using the MAC concealer because I still don't feel comfortable using liquid concealer. I'm then gonna use a brush to blend everything, blend the foundation and the concealer together, making sure that nothing is standing out or out of place. I'm now taking a powder and I'm just gonna put that all over my face to set the foundation and make sure that nothing is oily or shiny or sweaty. Next, I'm gonna use a brush to just brush all my eyebrows into place. Then I am using an eyebrow pencil to fill in the brows and form my face. Once I'm done with the eyebrows, I'm just going to use some eyebrow powder to dust everything off and nothing is standing out too much. Then I'm going to take the same concealer that I used on my face and I'm just going to prime my eyebrows for the application of the eyeshadow. Here is the fun part. We're gonna use eyeshadow, pink on one side, blue on the other. I am making sure that I am patting the eyeshadow into place. I'm not using a swiping motion to blend it. I am patting it in so that I can get the maximum amount of concentration that can be seen from far away because I am highly melanated. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using, I bought from AliExpress. Actually, almost everything I use in this video, I bought from AliExpress. You can view my review for AliExpress makeup on my previous video. I'm gonna link it below. I'm going in with the same palette and using a blue shade doing the very same steps on my other eyelid. I love using this eyeshadow from AliExpress. It is affordable. It always appears, as you can see, my camera is far, but you're still able to see where I'm putting the eyeshadow and the difference that is there. Now I'm just gonna put a shimmer shade to make everything all glittery and stand out. I prefer using my finger because when I use a brush, the pigment sticks on the brush and does not transfer to my eyelid. But you can see when I use my finger, everything is vibrant. You can clearly see the difference, and I think it makes the eyeshadow pop more when I use my finger. I'm going to bring you in closer so hopefully you can see what I'm doing on my eyes better. I'm using a more golden shade now to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and make the look stand out more. I'm now going in with my eyeliner to line my eye. I'm not very good at using liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna go back to using gel eyeliner because that's what I'm comfortable with. As you're about to see, the liquid eyeliner really made my eyes tear up very badly.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No. Listen, y'all. These kids want to act up in school, want to go to school and embarrass you, want to make like they got no home training. So I told my son, don't go to school embarrass me no more. I'll take care of you, son. I give you anything you want. I discipline you. But you're going to embarrass me like this? No, so now I'm going to cut his hair, sit him in school with a bald head.
So I was crying so much I should just have stopped, but I decided I'm not gonna redo this look, so I kept pushing on with a liquid eyeliner. I stuck, but I managed to put it on both of my eyes, even though the second eye was way less successful than the first one.
Don't embarrass me. I told him, don't embarrass me, no. Own DNA on a social media network. I seen a lot of parents do that, and it actually made me cry. Humiliation can cause suicide and depression. Come on, I'm 26 and I know better than that. Come on, y'all. I do not respect that. Everybody have their own opinion. The people that might get mad with this video is the people that probably already embarrassed their child. You can discipline your child in their room. Take something away from them. If they act up, well, my sons, if they act up, I'm like, son, you can't play the game today. They act up again, I'm gonna say, son, you're gonna read a book all day today. You can't watch TV. That's it.
Next, I'm gonna use my mascara. I like using two different types. One is for elongating and one is for thickening. Both are from AliExpress. I don't do much with my mascara. I just put it on and I hope that it makes my eyelids look better. I want to start trying using fake lashes, so wish me luck, you guys. I hope I don't burn off my lashes with some glue. I'm gonna go in with the powder from my Naked on the Run palette just to reduce the shine. I have oily skin, so I tend to get shiny quite easily. So I'm just gonna use that to dull the shine as well as to give a different dimension to my face, because this is a different colored powder from the one I used
people
before.
Wanna record how they discipline their child. Since when? What goes on in home should stay in home. And I cannot believe y'all, I'm 26 and all y'all 35 plus probably, the videos I done seen. And it's unbelievable, it's heartbreaking. But God bless y'all though. Y'all have a nice day.
Next, I'm gonna use the blush from the same palette. I'm gonna put that on the apple of my cheeks, also on the tip of my nose, just to give myself that cute eagle look. I'm gonna go in with my gel eyeliner and a very fine tip brush. I'm gonna use that to give myself the tattoos that Harley Quinn has on my face. On one cheek, I'm gonna write Daddy, and on the other cheek, I'm gonna draw a heart. I'm way more comfortable using this medium, as you can tell. The words come out very clear and precise, and I'm not tearing up this time, so that's a very good thing. I'm now going in with the same eyeshadows as before, just to deepen the crease as well as to imitate the crying teardrops look that she has with her makeup running. I don't want to ruin my makeup because I've been doing this for quite some time today, so I'm just gonna use my brush to drag the makeup downwards and hope that it looks like teardrops.
Don't embarrass me, no.
Finally, I'm just going to part my hair into sections, and then I'm gonna put those two sections into little pigtails on the sides of my head. This would have been easier if I was wearing a wig, but because I happen to have long braids on my hair, I can't put a wig over that. It's gonna look all wonky. So I decided just to go with these braids. I mean, they're a little bit blonde and the look looks cute anyway, and that's all that matters, right? Thank you everyone for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed this Harley Quinn look. My kitty says hi. Hi Bruce. Are you Bruce? No, because you're not a hyena, are you? Shout out to Sheila for making this dope outfit. How she made this outfit, every step from start to finish. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Here is Sheila's page on Instagram at @sixtailfox. She's a costume designer. She made this outfit and it looks so bomb, doesn't it? She also has so many costumes on her page. Like here she did Wonder Woman and she looks so cute. So you guys make sure you follow her, like her pictures, and subscribe to her channel. I'm gonna link it over here where she shows you how she made this Harley Quinn costume. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!